Hey class, and welcome to the final week. That's right. You guys made it. You didn't think you'd be able to. I know a lot of you were hesitant in the beginning of the semester, worried about having to take a math class, but you made it. You're to the final week of the class and you've just got a few more assignments to go, and then you're done with math for pathway. So I'm sure that's very exciting for all of you. I personally am kind of sad because I really enjoy the class and I enjoy getting to work with each of you, but I'm also very excited for you all to continue on doing pathway and then hopefully eventually rolling into BYU, Idaho, and getting your degrees. So it's been a great semester. I really enjoyed, like I said, getting to know lots of you, so good luck to you all in the future. A few things I just want to go over for this week to remind you of. The big assignment obviously this week is the final exam, and the one thing I just wanted to mention on the final exam is that there are no retakes on this exam, so it's different than the other exams that you've been taking. So really make sure that you've studied and you've prepared and you're ready to take that exam when you take it, and that you've got enough time. Don't try and take it maybe when you're crunched for time, or if there's possibly a conflict. I would recommend holding off. Make sure you've got enough time to be able to take the exam and you're not going to be interrupted, because there is no retakes on this exam. So talking about retakes though, one quick thing: if you are interested in retaking exam 4, please let me know. I'm not going to make you meet with me or a tutor just because of the time crunch kind of right here at the end of the semester. It's hard to do that sometimes in just a day or two. So just let me know if you want to retake it. I'm happy to reopen it and leave it open for you till the end of the semester. So that brings me to my next subject, the end of the semester. The semester officially ends on Thursday at midnight. So what that means is that you need to get all of your assignments turned in by Thursday at midnight. So the final exam, the final gathering assignment, all that needs to be turned in by midnight on Thursday. Now there is one quiz that is open until Friday morning at 8 a.m. and that is the attendance quiz. So preferably just once you're done with the gathering on Thursday night, if you can, go home, get on your computer and log your attendance. If you're not able to that night, you do have until 8 o'clock the next morning. So I'm going to put that in big bold letters down below just so everyone knows this week does end on Thursday. It does not go until Saturday. I'm looking over my notes here real quick, just make sure I've got everything. There is also one assignment this week, the course preparedness post assessment. So this will be fun for you all to take. If you remember back to week 1, you took this and a lot of you were concerned, hey, I didn't do well on this. Well, it's the same test at the end of the semester, and the idea is to see your progress that you made. In the beginning of the semester, you probably didn't know a lot of the concepts. Now you do. So it's it's a good kind of assessment. If after you take it, you can go back and look at what your week 1 score was, see how far along you've come. So that's really all I have for you as far as reminders for the class this week. I have really enjoyed teaching this class. I'm thankful for all of your inputs on your on the surveys that you pass out. I know it helps me to be a better professor. And I wish you all the best luck in continuing your education. Have a great week.